So guys, this is my home screen as you can see. So for customizing our Android phone, we just need to first go to the Google app and just install one app, which is iOS 14 launcher. So just install the same app which is mentioned, like which I have installed. So I'll just open it, and before doing other steps, we will just go back to settings and just search default apps. So in the default apps, just choose the home app and then just on the iOS launcher. So now your uh, home app will be operated by iOS launcher. So now I will just organize my apps, like arrange them in a proper order. So I will just touch the screen uh, until the apps like start shaking, as you can see, and then just drag them where I want to keep them. So you can see a plus up above, so you just have to click it, and like you can just add anything, like you can add any widgets or apps. So I'll just add a widgets, so I'll just drag it, and then a box like it comes. So I will just click on create and I will just go on files, and I like to keep quotes, inspirational quotes. So I've just taken this quote, radiate positivity. You can keep your pictures or anything, like your own pictures, like anything you can keep in this. And I will also uh, keep a weather widget, like I can know the weather. So yeah, now I will continue like this. I will just organize my apps, and if I want to add some widgets, then I will add it. So I'm done with my organizing, and now I'll just go back to the app and then just go to wallpapers. Like you can set any wallpaper, there are many suggestions, or you can use from your gallery files or anything. So I've just kept a temporary wallpaper, so I'll just change it afterwards. So as you can see, the wallpaper has changed. So now I'll just go back to the app, and then just I will go to my most favorite part, which is changing the icons. So there is a pencil in the corner, so you just have to click to that pencil, and like whichever app icon you have to change, so you can change. Like there are suggestions also, or you can just take it from your gallery files. So I just like to give aesthetic looks, so I've just changed the icon of camera. So I will just show you so you can see it like this only. Now I will change the icons of other apps, and of some apps I will not change the icon, I will just keep them the same. So like this I will just continue. So I'm done with changing the icons. So now I will just go back to the app and change the wallpaper. As I said earlier, that this wallpaper is temporary. So I like giving aesthetic looks. So I will just pick a aesthetic wallpaper. So if you guys want me to share the pictures that I've used or give you some more ideas for the wallpapers and icons, then do comment me down below and I will share it with you guys on Instagram or on YouTube. So now I'll just reorganize it and give it a perfect aesthetic look. So you can get more ideas of giving it aesthetic looks from Pinterest and Google. You can also search from some positive, beautiful quotes on Google or Pinterest. So yeah, if you want me to share like more this ideas, just comment me down below and I will surely share them on my Instagram page. So if you don't know my Insta page, then it's harshvijane_01. So you can find me there, or you can just DM me on my Instagram. So I will share it with you guys. So I'm like done with organizing, and now I will just tell you some other features of iOS 14 launcher. So the first feature, it is layout. So through layout you can just change the size of icon, and there are many other options too. So whatever size you want, so you can just change, but change this before you are starting changing the icons, because if you change this afterwards then the whole icon would be gone away. And the second is widgets. So there are many options for it, so you can choose any widgets. So I've just chosen batteries. So the third I would share is weather, like in which unit, like degree Celsius, and auto refresh after every hour. So the next is blur effect, like blur on off, like that mode. And the next is change the name. So you can even change the name of the apps through this app. So yeah, it's really amazing. So like there is a calculator. So I've just changed its font. I'm not I will change its font. So like I will just show you. So you can see there was only the first letter capital and I made all letters capital. So now currently I don't want it, so I'll just again change it to the normal look. So you can even hide apps, and notification badges is also there. So in this, like which apps notification you want, like that. So yeah. So these are the features, and on the above you can see three different things. Like they are not the features, they are just different apps. So like there is a lock screen app and a control center application, and one more which is assistive touch. So if you want these app, then you can download. So it's up to you. So yeah, these are the features. So you can see the home screen now. It is looking so amazing. Like it has changed so much. Like the previous screen was so normal and simple, and now it's looking so beautiful. So if you guys try this, then do share with me, do comment me down below, or do tag me on Instagram. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me, or if you want me to share some more ideas with you guys, then do comment me down below. I will definitely share it. So guys, that's it for this video. Do try it and see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.